Stop defaulting to React for every form. The dumbest HTML trick of the decade is quietly winning. That trick is HTMX. It lets the server send HTML again, no SPA ceremony. Attributes on your markup fetch, swap, and update the page. 4 attributes do most of the work. HXGet and HXPost talk to the server. HXTarget picks where the response lands. HXSwap decides how the DOM is patched. No new framework religion. Before HTMX, a like button meant client state, a fetch call, JSON parsing, and a re-render. After HTMX, the button posts to the server, and the server returns HTML. HTMX swats it in. Here is the loop. Click, request. Server returns HTML, swap. Progressive enhancement, not a rewrite of your whole front end. It pairs cleanly with Django, Rails, Laravel, or any backend that can return HTML fragments. Keep business logic on the server where it already lives. React still wins for complex client state, offline first apps, and heavy design systems. HTMX wins when the UI is forms, lists, dashboards, and server-owned truth. Admin panels, CRUD apps, internal tools, marketing pages with live bits, ship faster, ship less JavaScript, and stop paying the SBA tax by default. Honest catch. If you need offline, rich drag-and-drop canvases, or a massive client-side design system, React still earns the seat. Try HTMX on your next internal tool this week. Like and subscribe if you want more dumb tech that actually ships.